Hey guys, Vic here. In this video, I'm going to go over how to set up the commission structure. So, out of the box, we offer three commission structures. One is by rep, one is commission per product, and the third is commission on profit margin. Let me just go over all of these. So, on commission per rep, you can set the default commission each rep is supposed to get, and you can override it per rep as well. So you can select the rep you want, and then over here you can update their commission. You can change it to, say, some junior reps may get lower commission, senior reps may get higher commission. You can set all that up from here. The second is commission on product. So once you select this, we'll pull all the products from the store. You can set like default commissions. So say I've set like the default to 18%, just some random. All all products with all products that are sold, the reps will get that commission. You can override it for certain products. Say certain products you have more margin, less margin. You can change it over here. You can also do a fixed dollar amount commission instead of a percentage on the product. So certain products you just want to give $2. Certain products you want to do more, and you don't want to do the math to figure out the percentage. You can just put the dollar values here. So that's the commission on product. The third is commission on profit margin. This by far we feel is the most powerful, but this is the least used because most of our clients, they haven't put the cost in the inventory. So for this to work, let me just go to a product here. Products. Let me just pick some random product. Yeah, and so you see like the cost per item. This is what we pick up. So the cost and what it's sold for. Using that, we figure out what the profit is, and then we'll give commission just on the profit, or we'll calculate commission just on the profit. So those are the three out of the box ways where we can do commission. If you need any other way, schedule a meeting with us, send us an email, we'll get in touch with you. We understand that there's so many different business models, and because of which there's so many different ways. We've heard other clients saying, hey, we want commission per vendor. Some clients will say, we want commission per customer. We've done where certain, hey, if it's a new customer, first customer order, give a higher commission. If the customer reorders, give a lower commission. So if you have any such specific requirement, which is very specific to your store, it's not generic enough for us to add over here, just contact us, and we'll see what we can do for you. Cool. Thanks, guys.